And we have liftoff of Vikram-S.
It's not every day here at AIM that we get to say we are at Sriharikota. This is the exact launch pad that launched multiple missions to Mars, Moon, and the space over the past years.
Vikram-1, India's first private orbital launch vehicle, and we have great views coming from the tracking cameras. And isn't this quite something?
विक्रम 1 ने अपनी उड़ान भरी है। प्रथम चरण का प्रज्वलन प्रारंभ हो चुका है।
The hard work for this company has been a matter of years. The company launched its first Vikram-S rocket, which was a test rocket, in November 2022. It validated the company's technology and marked India's first step into private launch ecosystem.
हमारा यान अंतरिक्ष तक पहुंच चुका है।
And jubilant views from the launch control center where the teams are extremely elated and excited.
A moment that I can never forget. It is a very emotional moment that I can't have words.
Stay tuned for exclusive insights from the founders, ISRO, and in space.
You can see on your screen from onboard the cosmic bloom and the micro art. And we have sun rising behind it. It is the dawn of a new space era.